Hey everybody, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to download music in your Spotify app when you have a premium account. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow our steps correctly so you can make sure that this method works for you too on your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if it's an iPhone or an Android, it all works the same. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store and download the Spotify application if you haven't already. As you see, I have already downloaded the application. After that, you want to log in to your account or register a new account depending if you already don't have one, but you have to buy a premium plan or get a premium plan for this to work. Guys, if you don't have a premium Spotify, you can find our other video how to get free premium Spotify, so you don't have to pay anything, but you can use premium Spotify for free. So go make sure to go check that out. But anyways guys, let's get back to the app. First, after downloading the application, logging in, you want to enter the Spotify app. As you can see here guys, now I'm entering the application, and while it is loading, I'm going to be greeted by this page where all of my music is. So let's say that we find a playlist that we want to download and or music that we will like. So let's say this is the playlist that we want to download. Here guys, you can see there are a lot of songs here, and sometimes you just won't have the internet to listen to them, or you just don't already have internet, so you want to listen to them offline. So the thing that you want to do is very simple for this to work. All you have to do is just go, after you have bought premium Spotify or you have got premium Spotify, is go, and you can see guys the button Enhance on the left side of my screen. Next to the button is an arrow pointing downwards. You want to click on that arrow, and that will start the download of your song. So go ahead and click on the button. You'll be able to download music to your mobile phone, and this will start the download. And after it finishes, now you can turn off your internet and listen to your music offline without data. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. If it was, leave a subscribe and a like on the video, and I will see you in the next one. So guys, take care and bye.